Z buckle. Hello, I would like to introduce new range of Z buckles. Well-known Z buckle. Z has a flat and modern shape including wide releasing grip which allows kids and gloves friendly. From this successful Z buckle design, it is extended to different styles such as Z with a cam, Z with a double wraps, and G string, and G spider. As you see, they have a different style of male, but sharing same Z female, so you can choose its function, depends on your needs. Here is Z cam buckle. A cam is well known for preventing webbing slipping, and when it has webbing go through, it has definitely promising webbing locking. The cam action is super positive when it is locked and opened. Next part is called Doublewrap C. You should use 5mm webbing instead of 15mm webbing on the male part. Two webbing ends are attached into straight down together to the back, or can be attached into different locations separately. You can adjust its tightness with this loop by pulling. This loop allows quick and firm webbing adjustment for strong compression where the webbing reaches. The last part I would like to introduce is called Spider G. The Spider G can be used with elastic cord for compression. It can take up to 3.5mm cord or a smaller size of cord. It has a brother and is called String Z. String Z has a cord adjustment, and this allows using it just like a regular single adjust side release buckle. So you use side release buckle with a string instead of webbing. This way your application would have a lighter and slimmer look. You can use this with a regular G 10mm and Spider G buckle in mix and match. This can be fitted with a string G male, Spider G male, or 10mm of G side release buckle and vice versa. You can try a different female with a different male to find out the best combination, depends on your needs.